I had this Crema di Caffe in Milano a few weeks ago. It's so easy to make, it's light and refreshing, and it's only served in the summertime next to an espresso, but I'm going to show you how to make it at home.
You want to make sure to use very cold water for this. So I've popped some ice cubes in some water to let it get really icy cold, and then I'll measure out 125 milliliters, half a cup of your ice cold water. Add that to your mixing bowl and then add in 100 grams, half a cup of sugar. And finally, add in 1 tablespoon, 5 grams of instant coffee.
Be sure to use a good quality instant coffee, but if you'd rather, you can sub out the instant coffee for a really nice espresso, one that's gone cold.
And now whip it together. Now you can do this by hand with a whisk, and that takes a little bit of effort, or you can use a hand mixer, but I'm using my stand mixer and it comes together so fast. After just a few seconds, the mixture starts to become foamy and creamy. Once you have lovely soft peaks, your crema di caffe is ready. Now you can just spoon this into a cup, but to make it extra fancy, I like to pipe it into small glasses. When I had this in Milano, they didn't cover it with cocoa powder, but it does make for a nice addition.
This will easily serve 10 to 12 people in the little cups. Feel free to have the recipe if you have less guests. This does have to be eaten within an hour or so of making it, so make sure you keep it chilled and enjoy it fresh. If you're looking for the perfect dessert to accompany your espresso and crema di caffe, you have to try my torta caprese. Please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. And a big thanks to my channel members. See you next time.